Top 5 Neapolitan Coffee Summer 2018. Number 5. Caffè shakerato The Classic Summer Coffee. Number 4. Caffè del nonno Cold Coffee Cream. Number 3. Caffè strapazzato e Special Espresso with Sugar and Cocoa. Number 2. Caffè nocciola The most popular Italian gourmet coffee. Number 1. Caffè con la cucumella The first coffee house machine in the world.